I would like to say this is one of the best experience in my entire educational career what I had. The reason behind is the professors was they were experts, and they have a very good and in-depth knowledge. The most of the professors has completed the PhD, and now they have a very great experience in this industry. And some of the professors work for the FBI and other stuffs indirectly or directly. That made me it is an extraordinary experience what I had. And also teaching wise, whenever I had a doubt or any clarification is required, immediately they were ready for Skype call or else the email. They respond through email immediately. See, this particular cybersecurity program is having a very good in-depth knowledge, and online is helping me that I can work whenever I want. I mean, after completing my working hours, I can log into my system, and I can log into the TC Council University portal and work on the assignments and threads, labs, whatever the task is there, which is assigned for that week. So it is very flexible for me. Whenever I get a time, I can log in and complete the task. That is really beneficiary for going for the online programs. The whenever I'm mentioning in my resume as MS, I'm pursuing, still I'm getting a lot of calls and getting opportunities, interview opportunities from the other organization. Frankly
Yes.
speaking, currently my salary package got doubled what I was earning earlier, and probably in maybe in the next 6 months to 1 year, it become a more, I believe. In the EC Council, whatever we are using the technology, it is related from Windows XP to the latest operating system, 10 point, Windows 10. And not only with that, it has the Linux operating system as well as Kali Linux and Windows Server operating systems, where we are finding the vulnerabilities and detecting it. When we are detecting such operating system, we are knowing that what are the vulnerabilities and loopholes are there in that environment. So I'm implementing those things in my current organization to fix it. So it is like giving those updates to the higher management. These kind of vulnerabilities are there, and we can hack a particular infrastructure in this particular way. That methodology I'm sharing with the higher management, and they are also accepting it. And they're trying to upgrade the infrastructure now. That is one of the major thing what I have done with the help of this particular course. LPT, license penetration testing. It is one of the major. It is recently they have introduced this particular penetration testing course is having a in-depth and great knowledge. It is like uh, I can say it is kind of PhD in the penetration testing field. So
Yes.
it is having a three stages where it is helping us to uh, penetrate the infrastructure, and also it is helping a lot to gain more knowledge towards the infrastructure and secure our current organization network as well. EC Council is the thing where they have up to date information in their courses as well. So
Okay.
in the courses, what exactly is happening in the sense, they are giving assignments related to the present threats, which is the most affected. Example, when we had a ransomware attack,
Yes.
example Petya and other ransomware attack, they have given us the assignments within a week, when attack has happened. That is one of the best thing we are observing. I was watching in a news that this kind of particular attack is happening, and in that particular week itself, I am getting the assignment related to that. It shows that EC Council is in a they have a perfect and accurate information what exactly is happening in this world right now. So I don't believe any other this educational institute will give such kind of information. My recommendation is if you're going for the cybersecurity related, then go for the EC Council University. Otherwise, if you won't get any other universities where you won't you will get such a knowledge. and career wise you will be having a great career. The reason behind is it is one of the brand what EC Council is right now. So
Mhm.
it is worldwide spreaded, and all organization, MNCs or any industries you take it, which is working on the cyber security, they prefer EC Council. So I believe EC Council is the only way where we can uh, get into our best career.